Alexis Rocha is set to go down against Joseph Diaz. This is going to be a very tough one to call. Alexis Lex Rocha is 5 foot 10 cm of reach out of Irvine, California. Had a draw against Raul Carriel, defeated Santiago Dominguez, Frederick Lawson, lost to Giovanni Santillan. Giorgio Joseph Diaz having a 34-8-1 record, 5 foot 6, 64 inches of reach. While gonna have reach disadvantage for sure, he was having ups and downs, losses to Jesus Antonio Perez, Oscar Duarte, Abraham Montoya, Regis Progress, victory over Jorge Valencia Diaz, Jerry Perez. This guy was robbed on few occasions, and I've got to be confident. I give slight advantage to Roja, but I think this fight goes over 6.5, and I think it has the potential to go all the way. So if you're asking me about the potential outcome, I would go Alexis Roja via decision. That would be my expectation for the upcoming fight.